students, welcome to the class. So today's topic is hydrosphere. So in which lesson we are? So we are in 5th chapter geography. In that we need to discuss about the hydrosphere today. Yes. And can you tell me what is the other name for the earth? Yes, our earth is called as blue planet. Why? Yes, most of the earth part consists with the water. That's why our earth is called as blue planet. Yes, 71% of the earth is covered with the water and the remaining 29% it has the land masses. Yes. So water present on the earth in the form of running water in the oceans, rivers, lakes, and the water which presents in the ice sheets and the glaciers, even in the vapor, water vapor. So all these forms of the water is belongs to the hydrosphere. So wherever the presence of the water, even at the underground also, so wherever the presence of the water is there, that come under the category of hydrosphere. Yes, okay. So we know that more than half of the earth is covered with the water. Then what is the percentage of fresh water in that? So let's discuss that. We know that on the planet of the earth, most of the earth's surface is covered with the ocean water, means which was too salty for the human consumption and which is not at all fit for the human use. Yes, 97% of the water on the planet of the earth was present in the oceans, which was not fit for the use. So remaining good and fresh water is present in the form of ice sheets, glaciers and underground of the earth, which was too not fit for the human uses. Yes, and very small amount of the water only available for the human consumption. That too it was present in the rivers and the lakes and ponds on the earth. Yes, then we have to know about the oceans. So a large part of the hydrosphere belongs to the oceans. So how many oceans we have? Exactly. 5 oceans are there on this planet. Can you name them? Yes. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Southern Ocean, Indian Ocean and Arctic Ocean. So these 5 are the biggest oceans on the planet of the earth. So maximum water present in these 5 oceans. So let us deeply discuss about each ocean. So let us take the first one, Pacific Ocean, which was the biggest ocean among these 5 oceans. Pacific Ocean is the very big ocean on the planet of the earth and it covers many continents like Asia, Australia, North America, South America. So like this, many continents were covered with Pacific Ocean. And Mariana Trench is the deepest location on the planet of the earth. That too, it was presented in the Pacific Ocean. So the deepest point in the Pacific Ocean is Mariana Trench. Yes. So the second biggest ocean among these oceans is Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean lies between the 4 continents. Means towards the west side of Atlantic Ocean, we have North America and South America. And towards east side of the Atlantic Ocean, we have Europe and Africa. Between these continents, this Atlantic Ocean lies. And it resembles the shape of alphabet S. Yes, not only that, it created indented coastlines in Europe and Africa, mostly in the Europe. So indented coastlines means the coastlines were in the shape of jigsaw puzzle. Very sharp coastlines it created. So because of this indented coastlines or irregular coastlines, the areas were very much important or favorable for the harbors. So this was very busiest ocean, we can say that. Why? Because many of the traders chose the Atlantic Ocean as the pathway for their trade routes. So that's why Atlantic Ocean and the harbors which was created by the Atlantic Ocean in the Europe continent were the very busiest places on this earth. The next ocean is Indian Ocean. So Indian Ocean is the only ocean which was named after a country. That was, yes, absolutely our country, that is India. Right. So this Indian Ocean is almost in the shape of a triangle. So for the Indian Ocean, to the north side we have the Asia, to the west side we have Africa, to the east side of the Indian Ocean we have Australia. So we can say that the shape of the Indian Ocean is almost resembles the triangle. So the next one is Southern Ocean, which was at very nearest to the South Pole. Yes, this Southern Ocean extends towards the South Pole, and 60 degrees south latitude is passed through this Southern Ocean. So the next one is Arctic Ocean, so which is very near or cover the North Pole of the globe. Yes, it is at the top of the earth near the North Pole, and the northern borders of North America and the Europe cover the north side of this Arctic Ocean. And there is a connection or a pathway between the Arctic Ocean and Pacific Ocean. So through a narrow water line or strait, there is a connection between the Pacific and Arctic Oceans. That narrow water strait which combined or which have a link between the Pacific and Arctic Oceans is called Bering Strait. So Bering Strait combine the Pacific Ocean and Arctic Ocean. Right, this is all about the hydrosphere which present on the planet of the Earth.